So what do you do with property that you get or acquire after you've already established a trust? Hi, I'm Guy Martino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I would like to answer that question for you because it was recently asked of me. So this was the circumstance. Somebody came and said, well, I set up this trust. What do I do if I go to Arizona and buy a timeshare? Or what do I do if I go to Arizona and buy a condo or a house or a cabin in Michigan? What do I do regarding the trust? I said, aha, that is a perfect situation for a revocable living trust. Because of a revocable living trust is a relationship between you, the grantor, and typically if it's a new trust, you, the trustee, and you, the initial beneficiary, and then if something happens to you, the secondary beneficiaries. And a trust is just like a big box. And so you can put stuff in the box, you can take stuff out of the box. And so if you get that house in Arizona, all you do is you go to an Arizona lawyer with a copy of your declaration or affidavit of trust, and you say that I would like to title that property in my trust. So your Arizona property would be titled in your trust's name, you as the trustee, and there would be a deed that is owned, so the property is owned by the actual trust. Same thing if you buy an RV, or if you buy vintage cars, or vintage art, or whatever it is. Same thing if you get a new retirement account, or if you want to go ahead and have a life insurance policy. You get a new life insurance policy for some situation. You could make the trust the beneficiary. What the benefit of a trust is, it's all about titling. No matter when you get the property, you can put it in the trust, you can take it out of the trust. You can have the trust as a beneficiary, you can have the trust as an owner of the property, the titled owner of the property immediately. It is very flexible. No need to worry. If you have any questions, ask an estate planning lawyer and they can help you. If you have any questions in Northwest Indiana and you want to reach out to me, that's great. I am available. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.